Hey, what's up everybody? Cledus T. Judd down here with my buddy Tanner at Bill Cole Nissan, man. You know these, I don't know if you knew this or not, Tanner, but these Nissan Pathfinders almost put you out of business. You know why?
Why is that?
Because they sell themselves. Bam! I'm on a roll. All right, Tanner, tell us a little bit about this bad boy right here.
Yeah, so starting with the Pathfinder, so we got huge third rows starting in the back. We got our Ease Flex second row, so really just a touch of a button. Pop the seats up, super convenient to get to the back. Brand new body style.
Yeah.
So some of the awesome features that we have on this, 7 different drive modes for any type of terrain.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, also has a huge towing capacity. You're looking at 6,000 pounds in this SUV.
So you can put that big bass boat behind it, can't you?
Of course, of course.
Well, it is a sweet ride, I guarantee you, and it's got the cool screen and stuff up there, kind of like the Rogue does as well, right?
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure.
No college education needed, right?
No college education needed, I can work it.
Y'all come on down Bill Cole Nissan. Tanner will hook you right up with this cool Nissan Pathfinder, and I like the color. I may buy it myself, but I ain't got no credit. All right, thanks, Tanner. Appreciate you, buddy.
Thank you.
Y'all come on down.